Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I just wanted to do a quick oil catch can check for you guys. I just went on a 1,800 mile road trip from Boston to South Carolina, Myrtle Beach, and I had this oil catch can empty. And after that trip, I wanted to show you just how much oil accumulated in this oil catch can. So as you can see, maybe not, but there's the liquid there. I'm going to pour it out for you just to show you how much got captured. Alright. So this is a regular laundry detergent cap right here. You can see it can do about 2 loads of laundry with all the oil I captured, which doesn't look like a whole lot, but considering the fact that this is what you get at about 1,800 miles throughout the life of the car, you're absolutely going to get more, and all that's going to get caught up on the intake manifold inside the heads. Is going to smudge up everything and cost repairs. So I think I made a good choice in putting this one in, especially before the road trip. So again, I just wanted to show you guys how much it got. And if you guys are ever on the fence about getting an oil catch can, it works, and I definitely do recommend it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day, guys.